I ordered boneless biryani. I'm already smelling spices. Andarki namaskaram. Welcome back to another vlog. Hope everyone is doing great, good. After so many days, I've taken my camera out. So heroes, I'm starting a series to Araku from Tirupati. I'll be covering few places in between Nellore, Vijayawada and Vizag. So ఈ పర్టికులర్ సిరీస్లో బోత్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్డ్ ప్లేసెస్ అన్ఎక్స్ప్లోర్డ్ ప్లేసెస్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ ఐల్ బీ కాన్సన్ట్రేటింగ్ ఆన్ అన్ఎక్స్ప్లోర్డ్ ప్లేసెస్ మెయిన్లీ. సో ఇన్ని రోజులు నేను ఎందుకు ఆగానంటే ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు గివ్ మై 100% ఆన్ దీస్ పర్టికులర్ స్టేట్ సిరీస్. టుడే ఈ పర్టికులర్ బ్లాగ్లో ఐల్ బీ ట్రావెలింగ్ టు నెల్లూర్. మెయిన్ బీచెస్ రెండు ఉన్నాయి అండ్ వన్ ఫేమస్ బిర్యానీ పాయింట్ ఉంది. సో ఐల్ బీ కవరింగ్ ఫ్యూ ప్లేసెస్ ఇన్ నెల్లూర్ అండ్ స్టేయింగ్ ఇన్ నెల్లూర్. టైమ్ ఈజ్ అరౌండ్ 6 o'clock in the morning. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So finally done. I'm on highway. So it's time to say goodbye. Bye baby. I'll be back soon. So as you can see, it's all covered with the clouds. So finally reached Kalahasti. So it is known for its temple and one of the hill lo oka temple undi. From that point Kalahasti anta 360 lo kanipistundani vinnanu. Chaala baaguntundanta. So inka konni places unnai surroundings lo Kalahasti lo. I will plan and definitely vlog this place very soon. So those are ducks. Duck farming is also going on here. So many. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Those are all ducks. So I'm ready to Nayadupeta. Now I'll have my tea in tea. So done with tea break. Very nice masala tea I had in tea time here. So I spotted a nice location, nice farms. So I'm somewhere in between Gudur and Nellore. So I saw beautiful landscape in front of me. I quickly stopped here to fly my drone around, check out these beautiful farms. I told you right, I'll be stopping wherever I feel it's beautiful. I'll be showing you guys. So check out the drone footage now. So I took a diversion from the highway. First place will be Kottakodur beach, which is around 20 to 25 kilometers from the highway. These beaches are not actually in Nellore. We have to travel a bit, so towards coastal side obviously. Beach ki aithe vachesanu, but it will rain as hell. Luckily I have a place to hide everything. So finally I made it to my first destination, Kottakodur beach. So it is drizzling a bit, so it is bit cold here. Check out this beautiful place. So I quickly stopped here on my way to Maipad beach. So this is the way in between Maipad and Kottakodur beach. I quickly stopped here to show you the fishing farm, closer look. So I think this is the purification process that is going on. So yeah, these are the ponds. You can see all over this place. So those are all fishing farms as well. So yeah.
Keep my distance from you. You don't got a lot of me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep. And let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night.
So this is the place. We entered into Maipadu beach. So made it to my second destination, Maipadu beach. This is bit different from Kottakodur beach. You can see a lot of boats here, and it is also crowded, and fishing happening here, unique way of fishing. So yeah, check out this beautiful place. As usual, I'll fly my drone around, check out this place. That is the Maipad beach, heading back to Nellore. Drone malli disconnect అయిపోతుంది. I'm already fed up with that. చాలా షాప్స్ తిరిగింది ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పుడే. లెట్స్ సీ ఏ రోజుకి ఆ రోజు ఫొటోస్ అంతా బ్యాకప్ చేస్తాను. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు రిస్క్. ఎక్కడన్నా ఇదైందంటే మొత్తం ఫొటోస్ ట్రిప్ అంతా పోతుంది. సో ఐఎమ్ సూపర్ హంగ్రీ నౌ. సో రియాజ్ అని ఫేమస్ ఫుడ్ పాయింట్ ఉంది నెల్లూరులో. సో స్ట్రైట్ అవే హెడ్డింగ్ టు ఫుడ్ ప్లేస్. సో ఫైనలీ ఇన్ ది రియాజ్. సో దే విల్ బి సర్వింగ్ బిర్యానీ ఇన్ banana leaf, and I already got this sweet, mango flavored sweet. It's nice. So waiting for the biryani now. I ordered boneless biryani. I'm already smelling spices. Let's taste. So after having that famous biryani, one of the best in town, I came to Nellore Cheruvu. So this is the view, and it also has AP tourism boat unit. You can do boating as well, and this is the place where the famous festival happen. Rottela Pandaga ikkade jarugutundi, where all over India people will come here and celebrate. So yeah, and I'm planning to end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and if you want to appreciate my work, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell. As always, click here to subscribe and click here to watch my last video. Until then, stay blessed. Peace.